Films and series. Clara loves watching films and TV series, especially on weekends. She enjoys many different genres, but her favorite is the rom-com, a romantic comedy that makes you laugh and cry at the same time. She recently watched one where the main characters meet by accident and fall in love while trying to help a lost dog. It was simple, but the plot was sweet and well written. Clara always checks the reviews before watching something new. She reads what people say about the story, the acting, and the script. If the dialogue sounds natural and the story is original, she's more likely to give it a try. Sometimes she watches a film even if the reviews are bad, just to see for herself. Last weekend, she watched a popular sequel to a sci-fi film she loved 2 years ago. The first one had ended with a big mystery, and the second one finally gave the answers. The special effects were amazing, and the soundtrack gave her goosebumps. Clara thinks music is a big part of the movie experience. A good soundtrack can make an emotional scene unforgettable. She also pays attention to how the movie is directed. In one thriller she watched, the director used dark lighting and close-up shots to create tension. It made her feel like something terrible was about to happen, even when nothing did. Clara sometimes watches the behind-the-scenes videos to learn how actors prepare and how the crew builds the scenes. Sometimes Clara watches foreign films. If they have subtitles, she doesn't mind reading while watching. But if the film is dubbed, she often finds the voices don't match the actors' emotions. That's why she prefers to hear the original language. One of her favorite actors is French, and although she doesn't speak French well, she still prefers hearing his real voice with English subtitles. Clara also enjoys watching the credits at the end of a film. She likes seeing the names of the people who worked behind the camera, the makeup artists, costume designers, and even the extras who only appear in the background for a second. Everyone plays a part in bringing the story to life. These days, Clara is thinking about writing her own screenplay. She has an idea for a short film about two strangers who become friends after missing a train. She's studying how to write a proper script and how to pitch it to a studio. Who knows? Maybe one day her name will appear in the credits, not just as a viewer, but as a writer.